Every great piece of play equipment begins with an idea, which is then brought to life by our skilled team here at Wicksteed. The journey of our Swirl Roundabout starts with precision design. Using advanced CAD software, every detail is carefully engineered to ensure safety, durability and performance. Once the design is complete, production begins. High-powered laser cutting technology is used to shape both flat steel plates and tubular components with exceptional accuracy. This ensures consistency across every part we manufacture. The forming process follows. Using a pyramid tube bender, we create smooth, consistent curves that define the shape of the roundabout. Alongside this, our CNC tube bending machine delivers precise, repeatable bends for more complex components. Next comes fabrication. Our skilled welders assemble the individual parts, ensuring structural strength and long-term reliability. Each weld is carried out to the highest standards, forming the backbone of the final product. To prepare the steel for finishing, components are shot blasted to remove any impurities to create the ideal surface for coating. We then apply thermal zinc spraying, providing a robust layer of corrosion protection essential for equipment designed to withstand elements year after year. After protection comes presentation. Each component is carefully prepared for painting before entering the powder coating process. The coated parts are then cured in our industrial oven, ensuring a tough, long-lasting surface. This not only delivers a vibrant, high-quality finish, but also adds an additional layer of durability. Precision detailing is completed using CNC routing, ensuring all finishing elements meet exact specifications. With all components complete, assembly begins. In this time lapse, you can see each part come together, transforming individual components into the fully realised Swirl Roundabout. Finally, the finished unit is installed on site. The result is a robust, high-quality play feature designed and manufactured in Kettering, ready to deliver years of safe, enjoyable fun. From concept to completion, every stage reflects our commitment to quality, precision and craftsmanship. From laser cutting to bending, blasting to coating, assembly to install, every stage is driven by the people behind the process, skilled, experienced and proud of what they create. This is Wicksteed, and this is where play begins.